SUAPP AI are implanting. First, we enter Edit mode. Click on the Implanting function. Select material from the library. Then use the brush to apply the areas where the implant needs to be. Click Create. The style of the bed in the picture has been replaced by the material in the gallery. We can also upload local material images. Paired with the lasso tool, frame the area to be implanted. It should be noted that, when uploading material references, need to keep the background clean. This will ensure a better image implantation effect. We can use implanting to replace the building facade.